Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be teaching you guys a step-by-step tutorial on how you can change your shirt without going to the toilet. So let's get started. Take a shirt which you want to change into. Take any of your hands and put it into the current shirt which you are wearing, like this. Take this shirt and put it over your head. Put both of your arms into this shirt. Take out your previous shirt from here, over your head, and from this sleeve. And you're all changed! Isn't this so fast and easy? I hope this tutorial really helped you, and if it did, please remember to like and subscribe to this channel. Bye!